Salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, your social media insurance broker, back again today to whap and tap on your head with yet another ADH wealth solution. Today, I'm going to be talking about unscrupulous term life insurance agents, or just unscrupulous agents who often sell you a product based on price instead of based on solving a need. So this here is an application for a life insurance policy from a potential client of mine that the beneficiary asked me to review for her. I'm going to have to chop this video up a little bit because there's a lot of, obviously, PII that I don't want seen. PII meaning personal identifiable information. So I'm going to, redact those portions. However, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. So, here you have a policy. A young man about age 25 is applying for a fairly decent death benefit, a $700,000 death benefit. And there's also a child term rider on here. So, if you'll see, it's from Better Legal and General. And he was quoted, I believe, $25 a month for this term policy. So I guess he's supposed to invest the rest. But let's look at some of the features and benefits of this policy. Let me pause here so I can redact some of his information. Hold on. So as you see here, Section B, insurance applied for a 20-year term, $700,000. No riders, level death benefit, increasing death benefit doesn't say, because it's going to be level if it's term. Additional benefits, complete supplemental applications as necessary. Waiver of premium, no. Term insurance rider, no. Term insurance rider, no. Obviously not, because this is a term policy he's applying for. Other, description and amount, nothing. Child insurance rider, check. Accidental death benefit, no. Let me pause and redact some more info. Hold on. And it also says, why is this insurance being purchased? And it says personal insurance. Like I said, it's difficult for me to redact the information live time, so I do have to pause, redact, and kind of pull the screen so that I don't share his information. So hold on one more time. So if you'll notice here, it says family history. And it says, my mother was diagnosed with coronary artery disease, angina, heart attack when she was 56 years old, but did not die from that condition. And again, I'm pausing this so many times just to redact information. But knowing that his family has those kind of conditions, there are certain riders and things that you want to put on the policy. So this has a child's term rider of a maximum of $10,000, a death benefit of $700,000, no waiver of premium, no accidental death benefit. Now, I happen to know this person personally. He lost his mother, his father to an accident, his brother to an accident, and the mother of his child to an accident. Not saying that he's going to die of an accident, but when you see 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out, you want to protect for that. So it would likely be safe to say to get an accidental death benefit. Now, he says that he was quoted $25 for this. And when I actually went online and did it, it's likely a simplified issue. But when you get policies like this, you want to make sure that you check the financial strength of a company. Nothing wrong with William Penn / Legal in General, or William Banner, Legal in General. They do quite a bit of term coverage. I actually write for them. But this agent gave this client nothing. Just, here, let me just get you a policy. All right? Now, I'm going to show you an illustration that I did for him, with another carrier. So as you'll see, this was done by me, September 26, 2024. And let's look at some of the additional benefits in this policy. So it's a $700,000 death benefit. Male preferred non-tobacco, because I literally saw that the other carrier rated him preferred, so I rated him preferred. So it's a $700,000 death benefit. And one thing that companies like Primerica say is that we have policies till 95. So it says this benefit may be continued till age 95 if the appropriate premiums are paid, right? So he's got his initial monthly premium is $63.16, right? Now, let's see. Rider benefits included in this policy. A terminal illness. So this allows you to accelerate a portion of your death benefit up to 90% of your face amount, or $1.5 million, whichever is less, right? Now, he doesn't have an accelerated death benefit in the other policy. This also has waiver of premium. This rider provides for the premium to be waived on the base policy and all riders during the covered disability of the insured through the initial term period or until the policy anniversary nearest the insured's 65th birthday, whichever comes first. Accidental death benefit, an additional $100,000, right? So, God forbid he dies in an accident like his father, brother, and the mother of his son, the beneficiary would get an additional $100,000, so not just $700,000, but $800,000. And this is from 25 till age 70. Children's insurance, $25,000 from age 25 till 70. So obviously the child is not 25, so that's actually from, I think the child is 4 years old until age 25 is actually how that goes. So this rider provides death benefit coverage for the insured children subject to certain age limitations. Each child must be named on the application or added to the policy if he or she is born after the date of application. Let me just pause it to redact his information. So as you'll see here, male preferred non-tobacco, riders, terminal illness rider, waiver of premium, accidental death benefit, children's insurance rider, right? So if he gets the guaranteed annual premium will be $743 a year or $63.16. Now, the other policy is supposedly $25. So you would think, well, hey, that's cheaper. Let me get that. I'm getting the same thing. But you're not getting the same thing, right? He literally said his mother has coronary artery disease, angina, all this other stuff. So just because she didn't die from it doesn't mean that they won't tell you that you're likely to die from a terminal illness. Also, with a permanent policy, he would have a critical or chronic illness. So things like coronary heart disease may be covered depending on the carrier. Let me just redact some more information. And so you'll see here the base policy premium. If he pays monthly, it would be $39.02 plus the waiver premium $357 plus the accidental death $833 plus the children's insurance $1244, which makes it a total monthly premium of $63.16. Right? Now he has additional options on having the term policy. So if he gets it for 10 years, it'd be $52.19. 15 years, $57.21. 20 years, $63.16. 25 years, $79.11 a month. And 30 years, $89.39 a month. But look at all the additional benefits that he got. The only benefit he got there was the children's insurance, which I promise you would have made that policy substantially more than $25 a month. The only reason I know that it's approximately 20 some odd dollars a month is because that's what he said he was paying. So I went on Google, typed in Legal General, went to their website, put in his information, his zip code, his date of birth, and added the child's rider, and they came up with like $23 a month. But the adding of the children's insurance will definitely increase that. Now, it was likely a simplified issue policy, so this being fully underwritten, his health may be better or worse. That's going to be it for today, folks. Wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. And remember, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.